Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're visiting an apartment. It is actually a condo and it is in Beimen MRT, which is one station away from Taipei main station, and Ximending. It is a very center of Taipei. And there are 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And there's a kitchen and a front balcony and back balcony. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the front door. When you get in the house, you can see a very big living room and a dining table and a desk. Our left hand side is a kitchen and a back balcony. And there's a front balcony over there. And there are 4 rooms. 1, 2, and a master room over there, and 4. And these 3 rooms will share this bathroom. Okay, let's start from the living room. Alright, so you walk in, there's a shoe shelf. And there's a very big couch. And a very big screen TV. And an AC. And some decoration of the Spartan. Yeah. And here is the front balcony. You can chill here. And you can chill or drink here at night. Really nice. And there are cats, 3 cats. So this is the dining table, and desk is over here, and another AC is right on top. Let's check out the kitchen. Alright, so this is the kitchen, a full kitchen. So we got bins and 3 stoves and stove fan, a kettle, right, and filter water. And right here is the coffee maker and an oven, and a big fridge, 2 doors. Alright. So at the back is the back balcony. Here you have a washer and a dryer, both. And you can also hang your clothes on top. And there's a big sink. Alright. Okay, let's check out the rooms. This is the first room. It is amazing. The very beautiful double bed and a closet. And more drawers here, outputs here. You can see a TV and an AC for you to use, and some plants, some decoration on the wall. It's really nice, and lamps right here. And this window that goes to the balcony, right? So there's TV and internet. Great. And mirror right here. Another room. And there's also a screen TV and AC attached to the wall, and a double bed, lamps, and drawers. And right here is the closet. Okay. And some more drawers down here. The other room. Alright. So in this room, there's also a big screen TV and AC attached to the wall. And standard double bed. And a lamp. And drawer. And closet. Right. Right, so there's a desk and a chair for you. It's pretty long. It's probably more than 1 meter long. And the window that also goes to the back balcony. Right here there are 2 more lamps. Very clean. From this angle. Right. Okay, there are some more towers here. Here's the shared bathroom. The sink is outside. Very nice. Big mirror. And here's the toilet. And a shower and bathtub.